Namo Namah. Gita's Lessons for Life, Number 2, Virtues, by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Thursday, July 23, 2020. In my write-up on Gitayaha Lessons for Life, I made a mention of a 7-point code for Param Shreya, for most exalted life. The second point in that code is, I have blanked the first point, cultivate virtues, Daivi Sampat. See A 12-13 to 12-19, A 13-7 to 13-11, E 16-1 to 16-3, E 18-42 to 18-44. Some virtues repeat in these four lists. Actually, antonyms of virtues are vices. For ready reference, below are the shlokaha from the 4 adhyaya. द्वादशाध्यायात् अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखः सुखक्षमी सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिर्यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः यस्मान्नो द्विजते लोको लोकान्नो द्विजते च यः हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैर्मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः अनपेक्षशुचिर्दक्षः उदासीनो गतव्यथः सर्वारम्भपरित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभाशुभपरित्यागी भक्तिमान्यः स मे प्रियः समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समस्सङ्गविवर्जितः तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिर्भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः. I would like to take 2 words, Shraddhadhanaha and Matparmaha, from 1220 also. Now list A. त्रयोदशाध्यायात् अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम् अहिंसा क्षान्तिरार्जवम् आचार्योपासनं शौचं स्थैर्यम् आत्मविनिग्रहः इन्द्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यमनहङ्कार एव च जन्ममृत्युजराव्याधिदुःखदोषानुदर्शनम् असक्तिरनभिष्वङ्गः पुत्रदारगृहादिषु नित्यञ्च समचित्तत्वम् इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु मयि चानन्ययोगेन भक्तिरव्यभिचारिणि विविक्तदेशसेवित्वम् अरतिर्जनसंसदि अध्यात्मज्ञाननित्यत्वं तत्त्वज्ञानार्थदर्शनम्. This first line of 1311. षोडशाध्यायात् लिस्ट ई. अभयं सत्त्वसंशुद्धिर्ज्ञानयोगव्यवस्थितिः दानं दमश्च यज्ञश्च स्वाध्यायस्तपार्जवम् अहिंसा सत्यमक्रोधस्त्यागः शान्तिरपैशुनम् दयाभूतेष्वलौलुप्त्वं मार्दवं हिरीरचापलं तेजः क्षमा धृतिः शौचमद्रोहो नातिमानिता भवन्ति सम्पदं दैवीम् अभिजातस्य भारत. लिस्ट ई. अष्टादशाध्यायात् शमोदमस्तपः शौचं क्षान्तिरार्जवमेव च ज्ञानं विज्ञानमास्तिक्यं ब्रह्मकर्मस्वभावजम् शौर्यं तेजो धृतिर्दाक्ष्यं युद्धे चाप्यपलायनं दानमीश्वरभावश्च क्षात्रं कर्मस्वभावजं कृषिगौरक्षवाणिज्यं वैश्यकर्मस्वभावजं परिचर्यात्मकं कर्म शूद्रस्यापि स्वभावजम्. It comes to mind that it would be good to start making the list of virtues, first with verses 12-13 to 12-19, then extend the list from other verses or add synonyms. So, Sarvabhutanam Adveshta, 12-13. Not despising any creation. Sarvabhutanam Maitraha, 12-13. So, Krushi Gauraksha Vanijyam, 18-44. Having friendliness with all creation. Gauraksha is again friendliness with the creation. Sarvabhutanam Karunaha, 12-13. Having empathy unto all creation. In that same context, Daya Bhuteshu, 16-2. Compassion unto all creation. Note, Daya, Day Bhida Bhave Ang, pity, tenderness, compassion, mercy, sympathy. Amanitva, 13-7. Natimanita, 16-3. Having no craze to be honored. Paricharyatmakam karma, 18-44. Ready for servitude. Nirahankara, 12-13. Anahankara, 13-8. Having no ego. Nityam samachittatvam, 13-10. Having equanimity in all respects. So there, Nityam samachittatvam ishtanishtopapatishu, 13-10. Not being bothered what will befall, will be favorable or unfavorable. Shubha Shubha Parityagi, 12-17. Being regardless of good or bad omens. Samadukha Sukhaha, being equanimous with happiness or sorrow. Gata Vyathaha, free of all anxiety. Samashitoshna Sukhadukkeshu, equanimous unto all dualities of hot or cold, happiness or sorrow. Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Dukkha Doshanu Darshanam, 13-8. Ready to face all events which would occur by default, such as birth, death, agedness, diseases, sorrows. By default, dosh. Samashatravucha mitrecha, 12-18. Equanimous unto friends and foes. Samaha manapamanayoh, equanimous unto honor or dishonor. Tulya nindastutihi, 12-19. Equanimous unto praise or abuse. Kshami, 12-13. Kshantihi, 13-7. Also 18-42. Kshamaha, 16-2. Pardoning faults, mistakes. Satatam santushtaha, 12-14. Santushto yena kenachit, 12-19. Always contented. Yogi, 12-14. Striving to be in union with the Supreme, yogi. Yatatma, 12-14. Self-control. Atma Vinigraha, 13-7. Self-control. Yatavak Kaya Manasa, 18-52. With control over thought, word and deed. Damaha, 16-1. Also 18-42. Control. Dhrudha Nishchaya, 12-14. Determine. Mayyarpita Mano Buddhi, 12-14. One who has submitted mind and intellect unto me. Mad Bhakta, 12-14. My devotee. Mat Paramaha, 12-20. Respecting me to be the supreme. Mai Ananya Yogena Bhaktihi Avyabhicharini, 13-10. Having unflinching devotion unto me. Astikyam, 18-42. Respecting existence of God, atheist. Ishvara Bhava, 18-43, having thought and respect unto the Supreme. Ishvara, Supreme. Yasmanno dvijate loko, 12-15, who is not troublesome to people, to anybody else. Lokanno dvijate chaya, who is not troubled by people. Harsha marsha bhayodvaigair mukta, freed of excitement, worry, fear and annoyance. Udvega, annoyance. Abhayam, fearlessness. So freed of fear. Yaha na rushyati, who does not get excited. Yaha na dveshti, who does not resent. Adroha, non-resentment. Yaha na shochati, does not lament. Anapekshaha, 12-16, yaha na kankshati, 12-17, has no desire. Asakti, 13-9, non-attachment. Laghvashi, 13-10, having little expectation. Aloluptum, 16-2, free of hanker, avarice. Shuchihi, 12-16, pure, pious. Adambhitvam, 13-7, unpretentious. Shaucham, 13-7, 16-2, 18-42, piety. Sattva Samshuddhi, 16-1, cleanliness of thought, word and deed. Dakshaha, 12-16, alert. Daksham, 18-43, alertness. Udasinaha, 12-16, disinterested. Indriyartheshu vairagyam, 13-8, abstinence of senses. Nityam vairagyam samupashrita, 18-52, always observing abstinence. Sarvarambha parityagi, abstinence is abstaining, so vairagyam. Sarvarambha parityagi, 12-16, forsaking the thought of any undertaking by one's own volition. Nirmamaha, selfless. Sangavarjitaha, dissociated. Mitradara gruhadishu anabhishwangaha, unattached to friend, wife, family. Aratir jana samsad, 13-10, disinterested in social groups. Aniketaha, 12-19, homeless, free of bondage of my home. Vivikta desha savitvam, 13-10, thoughtful of unfrequented place and state. Note Vivikta, past participle, separated, detached, disjoined, abstracted. Lonely, solitary, retired, sequestered. Vivikta Sevi, 18-52, thoughtful of the abstract. Mauni, 12-19, in penance as of a muni. Note Maunin, adjective, Maunini, feminine, Maunam asya asti iti, and ini. Observing a vow of silence, silent, taciturn. Masculine, a holy sage, an ascetic. Sthiramatihi, 12-19, Sthiryam, 13-7, with steadfast intellect. Shraddhadhana, 12-20, upholding faith. Arjavam, 13-7, 16-1, 18-42. Arjavam, Rujor Bhavaha, and straightness, straightforwardness, rectitude of conduct, uprightness, honesty, sincerity, open-heartedness. Arjavam kutileshu na niti. Simplicity, humility. In the same context, apaishunam, 16-2. Divide of paishunam. Note, paishunam or paishunyam, pishunasya bhavaha an, shangva. Backbiting, slandering, tale-bearing, calumny. Paishunyam sahasam krodhajo piganoshtakaha. This is from Manusmriti. And 16-2 reference of Bhagavad Gita is also given. Roguery, depravity, wickedness, malignity. Achapalam, 16-2. Devoid of trickstery, plain, simple, transparent, reliable. Acharyopasanam, 13-7. Yearning for proximity with the precept. Adhyatma dhyana nityatvam, in spiritual pursuit. Tattva jnanartha darshanam, seeking philosophical knowledge. Jnana yoga vyavasthiti, disciplined on the path of knowledge. Jnanam vijnanam, knowledge centric. Danam, 16-1, 18-43. Philanthropy. Yajnaha, 16-1. Ascetic rituals. Swadhyayaha, 16-1. Self-study. Tapaha, 16-1, 18-42. Penance. Tejaha, 16-2, 18-43. Brilliance. Ahimsa, 16-2. Non-violence. Satyam, 16-2. Truthful. Akrodha, 16-2. Free of anger. Tyagaha, 16-2. Sacrificing. Shantihi, 16-2. Shamaha, 18-42. Calm, at peace. Mardavam, 16-2. Softness, kindred, empathetic. Rihi, 16-2. Shy, limited by one's own convictions, staying within limits of one's own convictions. Dhrutihi, 16-3, 18-43. Fortitude, patience and tolerance, capacity to take difficulties into stride. Shauryam, 18-43. Bravery. Yuddhe chapya palayanam, 18-43. Not running away from a battle, facing every challenge. I have tried to condense the list by grouping qualities which appeal to me to be very close to each other, almost synonymous. See, there are as many as 13 sub-items under 6, all related to equanimity in respect of different dualities. Also, there are 11 sub-items under 12, all related to being devoid of excitement, being devoid of overreaction. Some virtues sound contradictory. For example, 29, ahimsa, 16-2, non-violence, and 37, shauryam, 18-43, bravery. But both would be virtues in their respective contexts. In spite of the above list being seemingly exhaustive, it comes to mind that there is virtuous conduct advocated also in न बुद्धिभेदं जनयेद अज्ञानां कर्मसंगिनां जोषयेत् सर्वकर्माणि विद्वान् युक्तः समाचरन्, 3-26. An enlightened person, vidwan, should not confuse buddhibedam na janayet for the ignorant and workaholics, ajnanam karma sanginam. Himself acting properly, yuktaha samacharan, he should guide all work on the right path. Sarva karmani joshayet. This seems to be in contradiction with 17b, Aratir Jana Samsadi, 13-10, disinterested in social groups. But what is advocated in 3-26 is virtuosity in its own context. This means one can be appropriately virtuous in every other context. In turn, one can be virtuous all the time. Cultivating virtues and practicing virtuosity automatically means being free of vices. May virtuosity prevail all the time, everywhere, and may the world be a happy place. Shubhamastu.